Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala Rasulihil Ameen. One of the difficulties that may come in our way, and it could become a sickness. The problem is that when I throw up, let's say I vomited, would it nullify my fast? It can, yes, it can nullify yours and mine fast in two conditions, not three. There's a famous answer a lot of sheikhs will give you. They'll say, if a mouthful you have thrown up, then you break the fast. No, Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhuma has a beautiful saying. He told the companions, tabi'een, that no, you do not lose your fast like that. Unless you have self-induced, yes, self-induced, you ate too much, like, oh, and you throw up the food. That's self-induced vomiting. That self-induced vomiting, yes, will nullify the fast. You have to make it up later. Second condition could be, let's say you have food poisoning and you're throwing up too much, you're getting dehydrated. That is a sickness. Break your fast, do it, make up another day, inshallah ta'ala. So anytime, the summary, if you threw up, not intentionally, not self-induced, you threw up, okay, it will not break your fast. But if you did throw up and you became sick, or you self-induced it, if you throw up and you become sick, too hard to continue, please break your fast. Yes, so vomiting will not break your fast unless it is making you too sick or it is self-induced. Wallahu a'lam.